Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
I needed to bevel the walls of that birdhouse so that the roof would sit flush to the walls. And my first thought was to use a plane. It worked. Once I got the rough bevel established, the DA did a better job of taking off the hardened glue and smoothing up the edges. The plywood is a little fragile and you can't really get after it too heavy with a plane.
I think I could use a brace in between here. Take a piece of this, put it right across the top. I don't know that it necessarily needs it, but it'll give me something to attach the roofing to.
First cut squares the ends. Then I mark it the length on the part and cut it to length.
There we go. Nice sturdy little box. I'll put some glue on this and I'll be able to paint it in the morning. At least put the base coat of red on, and then I'll be able to lay it out and put the white trim on after I get the red laid in. I think it's going to work pretty good. Drill a hole in here, put a backer block on the back side just to make sure that the hole doesn't get all chipped out, and then be good to go. So I got the rough assembly done on the birdhouse. The plane worked, but I think the dual action sander worked better. A little faster and easier. Just have to be careful that you don't go too fast because the DA can get away from you. Especially on something small like this, you can take off a lot more than you expected without even thinking about it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.